I'm sorry to rush to the point, but I need your help. An associate has had a sudden and startling stroke of good fortune.
And that's a bad thing?
Imagine gambling away your mortgage, facing financial ruin because you're addicted to chance. And then imagine in that moment of anguish and desperation, you're offered salvation. Erase your debt, keep a roof over your family's head. Would you take it?
What's the catch?
No catch. A bet on yourself. A dance with Lady Luck.